Dear brother and sisters, I hope you are all in good shape. Before anything else, please like and subscribe to my channel cause I love you all. Also hit the notification bell to notify you. Without further ado, let's start cooking. Let's put a little bit of cooking oil. Wait until the oil is hot. Sauté chopped of garlic. Add 1 medium chopped onion. Add the chicken neck without skin. Sauté the chicken neck until brownish. When it becomes brownish, add 1/4 cup soy sauce. Mix it thoroughly. Add 1/4 cup oyster sauce. Mix it. Add 1 Knorr chicken cube. Then a dash of magic granules. Pour 2 cups of water. Add dash of ground black pepper. Add 1/4 cup vinegar. Let the vinegar evaporate for 1 minute. Don't mix and let it simmer. Add 1/2 teaspoon sugar. Cover it and let it boil for 15 minutes to make the chicken neck tender. Open it. Yes, it looks nice and yummy. It's done and ready to serve. This is the finished product of adobong chicken neck. Please don't forget to